Alright, if you can see, we are filling up this pothole. Today is the Rosto activity in Porvorim. This is near the new Atal Setu bridge. You can see the showroom over here, the Hero Honda showroom which is ahead. So this has been a terrible pothole. I don't know, every year this pothole is being filled. Last year also we had put a marking on this saying fix it, and yet you can see that it's still in a bad shape. And today now we got all the mud from the other side itself, and we decided to put all the mud here. First we filled it up with stones, and then we are filling, having mud being put on it so that there's extra packing, and we are asking vehicles who are passing by to just go over it so that there's enough of weight and it remains packed nicely. This is the best that we can do being public. I think so. If the government is in doing the basic need for us, this is where public can come down on ground level and get this done. It's not rocket science. It's safety for our people. You can just see we've already put big stones right now. We're filling it up with small gravel stones like this, and we are filling up with mud. So section by section we are doing this whole stretch right now. So hopefully we can finish it before it gets dark. So if you can see, this is Irfan, Prakash, then Prakash got his roommates. Then we have Aldrich who's right on the other side who's digging. Let's go on the other side and we'll show you. It's not rocket science, guys. You just have to find mud which is close by and get things done. So if you can see, this is what public is doing right now because safety of our people is mandatory. We've got some nice soft mud over here. And from here we're taking out all the mud, collecting all the side gravel stones, and we're pushing it right inside over here, guys. See it. This is Sunday work. This is Sunday work where civilians can come down, public can come down and just do small contribution, guys. We're not asking massive contribution, but this is safety for our own people, for our public. You can see this is what we are doing, guys. How bad this was. This whole thing was bad. This whole section was bad. See. So this is how simple it is. It's all on the roadside itself. At least this should sustain for at least a month. We're hoping. So everyone is coming by. Thank you. Everyone is giving us thumbs up. This is a little bit of contribution that we can do for our people around, guys. So guys, we started this at around 4:30 in the evening, and we've been collecting all little gravel, all mud from the roadside itself because we are paying our road tax, so we don't want to buy cement and everything. We're not buying cement or anything because that's extra money involved. We're using our fund, whatever is there in the surrounding itself, to get this pothole done. And we have buses who are helping us go over it. We can just, like this, buses are helping us flatten out the whole place. And the Karnataka buses who helped us right now. So you can just see, guys. It's the team working very hard.
I'll bring.
Guys, this is our Rosto activity which is going around, and the team here is working really hard. Everyone is working hard. So today we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of us, including me. And it's not just men's job, even women can come down and do this for the public safety. It is our safety that is important, and we contributing towards social cause is very important. This is social work, guys, contributing towards beautiful Goa towards the road which is regularly used. Thank you, thank you. See, the bikers are the best because they witness all these uneven roads. Everyone's bike gets injured, everything happens. So everyone is helping out. One is digging, one picking up, one is putting this across. Prakash, on this, please. And Prakash is just going on for a short walk. See you soon, Prakash. Hey, hey, what's up? See, she's the one who told us that the road's bad, and I said I'll make sure I get this on.
Good job.
Thanks, Anil. See you. Take care. Bye. So it's Louise who told us that this pothole is really bad because I've hardly been taking this road, and I made sure that we inspected it. So today we decided let's come and let's fill this up. A Sunday evening which is free for all of us to come and get this work done. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thanks. So we have all bikers in the house. It's moving ahead. Irfan, how does it feel to do social work?
Feels good, and I believe that everyone should come outside and give their best
for the community, right? Yeah. Simple things that can work wonders. So Irfan is a very hard-working roster teammate, plus Prakash. Now we've involved their roommates, and John also has joined us, and Aldrich is right over there. So this is the team that's been working very hard to get the things done today, guys. So please, if you have potholes in your area, small or big, get the community, get everyone together, get your friends together, get your neighbors together, and simple work like this can be done for the safety of the people. What say? Yeah, everyone can just come together, right? No doubt it's hard work, but it's good work at the end of it. It's for us, yeah. So you can see, guys, everyone is here, and thank you so much for watching. Please do share, please do inspire people to get work done like this in their community. So we will finish this and then I'll show you all the pictures tomorrow. Thank you.